My dear friends, UPSC Prelims results were just announced yesterday. If you have cleared the prelims, of course, congratulations. And more important than congratulations are best wishes for the exam coming up now. I am sure your preparation must be in top gear. I am approaching you to inform about 3 special sessions I am going to conduct respectively on June 16, 17 and 18. All 3 days. It is from 12 noon to 1:30 p.m. I am going to talk on how to write excellent quality answers first session. How to handle GS4 especially with focus on case study part. That would be session number 2. And how to write excellent essay. That would be session 3. After that, I am going to give first round of practice questions, which those of you who write them down, and thanks to technology, we get them uploaded. I check them on my tab with my personal feedback and suggestions for further improvement. You will get those questions by 18th of June. And then in July and August, early August, we have 2 rounds of all question papers. The papers are prepared by me and the Chanakya Mandal team under my guidance. Those who participate, they will be also examined with personal comments and personal feedback by me and my team. Among all of them, I am personally going to especially check GS4 and essay papers. You are most welcome to join this intensive program. So see you on June 16, 17 and 18, all 3 days 12 o'clock. Registration is of course required. And as always, the most important point is all my absolute eternal best wishes for you, irrespective of whether you join Chanakya Mandal program or not. All the very best. Hope to see you.